Kenyan opposition and National Super Alliance is today pitching tent in Kakamega's Bukhungu Stadium. They're expected to have a major rally. Let's now link up with Chris Thairu, who is on the ground in Kakamega. Chris, what are we expecting today?
Well, a very good morning to you, Michelle, and our viewers. We are at Bukhungu Stadium in Kakamega County, and if my cameraman Wekesa can just try to pan, the preparations are still ongoing. Members or the locals here who are supporting the opposition, that's the National Super Alliance, as you correctly put it, they've arrived here. There's a good number of people who have arrived here. The security is also tight, and we also have information that the NASA presidential candidate, that is the ODM party leader Raila Odinga, is already in Kakamega County ahead of today's rally. Remember that today's rally is the second rally after Raila Odinga was cleared by the IEBC. Remember that they had their first rally in Nairobi County, and now they are in Kakamega County, that is in the western region. And of course, they have the privilege of having the ANC party leader, that is Musalia Mudavadi. Musalia Mudavadi, of course, hails from this region, as well as also another principal, that is the Ford Kenya party leader, Moses Wetangula. And of course, we saw just the other day, Moses Wetangula was cleared to contest for the Bungoma senatorial seat. But in today's rally, we expect a lot. Remember that in Kakamega, we have at least the incumbent governor, that is Wycliffe Oparanya, and of course he will be facing the senator, that is Boni Khalwale. And of course we saw just yesterday both were cleared to contest for the gubernatorial contest, and we'll be pitching camp here at Bukhungu Stadium just to bring you live events on what will be transpiring today ahead of this rally, Michelle.
All right, thank you so much. That is Chris Thairu, and he will be linking us up with us.